Alright boys, what's up? I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be doing another series I'm going to be starting. It's going to be basically just how to create a website for beginners. I'm pretty sure this is what everyone starts with when they try to code, so anyway, we're going to get into it. I'm going to just start off by the things you guys need to have. First of all, this is optional, but if we search up Visual Studio Code, this is a very good code editor that I use. I'm going to be using for this entire series. If you guys want to, you can download it. It's completely free. I'm pretty sure it's made by Windows or something like that. I don't know. It's just really good Visual Studio Code. Anyway, let's get into it. So first of all, we're going to need a folder. I created a folder already in your documents or whatever. And it's going to say tutorial website or whatever. And you can do this by clicking new folder, creating it, go inside of it. And yeah, so we're gonna boot up Visual Studio Code right here. This is from the Discord bots that I was making. We're gonna be doing a tutorial on that later soon, but we're gonna quickly just close everything out, and boom. Okay, so we're going to click. We're going to drag this folder inside of the Visual Studio Code in this bar right here. So we're going to just drag it, click and drag, add folder to workspace. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a file, and it's going to be called index.html. So we're going to hit new file. I'm actually going to, hold on, I got to hold something real quick. I actually have this paper script that I'm supposed to use, or instructions or whatever. Okay, so we're going to be putting in index.html. This is not what I wanted. Rename index.html. Boom, perfect. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to start off. This is going to be our main home page for everything. We don't need all these errors, so you're not going to see anything. And for those of you who know, this is how you're going to start off with it. So you're not going to have anything in this workspace. So basically, for those also who are wondering, if we go in here, we're going to see index.html. Now, if you open it up, it's not going to do anything, and that's okay. And yeah, you guys know my real name. Yeah, it's really cool, right? Oh my god. But anyway, this is our website now. It's a blank spot, which is really cool. So now we're going to go add something to it. So to know that's HTML, we're going to do a little caret, doc type HTML. And it's it's gonna indicate that we're using HTML. So we're gonna do HTML. It's going to create another one it's gonna do automatically create one with the backslash. That's just to indicate that that's going to be the end of it. So you're gonna click enter. We're gonna put a head over here, and we're going to do a title. So title is not what you guys would really think. It's not like something right here. It's going to be the title. So for now, it's index.html. If we, it's my Discord, if we add, let's say, about us, like you're doing a business thing, gonna do Control S to save it, and we're gonna refresh, and you're gonna see it change to about us. So, or if you want to change it to home, you can do that. Home, refresh it, it's home. And because it's doing instant refreshes, because it's not on the internet yet, so don't go sending this to all your friends. Oh my god, look what I did, because it's not going to show up for them, your website. So now we're going to do go down here from the head. You don't want to put anything in this head. And now we're going to do a body. It's going to be the body of the, okay, and we're going to do H1, and H1 is basically a type of font, like a font size. So we're going to do home, save it, and as you see, it's going to be saying home. Now, if we were to put this to an H2 instead of an H1, it's going to be a bit smaller, as you can see. But we're going to keep it H1, because I like H1. It's pretty nice. It's heading 1. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to do a paragraph. So paragraph is like basic text. Now if you guys don't know, we're not going to do any, this is going to be our bare bones. of the website is going to be not the actual website. It's going to be Barebones, kind of like the skeleton of it. So we're going to do welcome, hello. We are glad that you are here. Please read the instructions to our website down below. And we're going to do another paragraph saying, we're gonna website here, and we're going to leave that there. Have fun using our website. So if we refresh it, it's going to say, hello, we're glad you're here. Please read the instructions on our website. Have fun using our website. And it is going to do this. It's going to do this really cool stuff. And yeah, that's basically the first thing. So now you know how to add text. It's pretty sick. Now we want to add what if we want to add something like a new font here, a new color? That's what CSS is for. It's going to make everything look better. So if we go into our folder here, and we can automatically create a new folder here, or we can create it inside of Visual Studio, whatever we want. Do CSS, and it's going to pop up in here, and we're going to create a new file, and we're going to call it style sheet.css. There we go. And now what we can do is we can start with some fonts and fancy stuff. So this is not going to be like Google, like just font or like size equals 0, like 12. No. So what we're going to do is we're going to do body with the brackets or whatever it's called, I don't know. And then we're going to do font dash family, and we're going to do sans serif, and we're going to do semicolon. So this is going to add a font. Now, so you see, if we save it, it's not going to do anything yet. What we need to do is we need to tell this file that we're going to grab this font from the HTML file. Because this is from HTML, we're going to have to write this in HTML. So right beneath the title, we're going to do it. You can put it anywhere. I recommend to do it at the top or somewhere. So if we're going to do the same link type equals in quotes text /CSS. And we're going to do rel equals style sheet. Okay, and then we're going to do href. Actually, we can just do href equals CSS / so we're going to grab from the folder style sheet.css, and then we're going to do a slash. I'm pretty sure this is a / caret. So that's going to close it. And oh wait. Also, when you guys are writing code, make sure to get fix typos, or it's not going to work. So now if we save it, refresh our page, see it's a different font than before. So we can now set this to whatever we want. So Arial, I'm pretty sure, yep, this is Arial. We can set to Arial back. And it's going to change the font. Pretty sure the same, I don't know. But we're going to put this to sans serif for now. Use whatever font you want. You can look on Google font families, like font families, and just play around if you want to. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to now move on a bit. This is going to be the last part of this video since we're reaching around 10 minutes. So we're gonna go next, and we're going to now do images. So images are basically what makes up most of a website, in my opinion. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get images. So we're gonna get a picture of a cat, and we're going to so credit to BBC News for this picture. Whatever, you guys, this is just for copyright on or whatever. risk, whatever, BBC News, get support BBC, I don't know. So anyway, we're going to create a new folder again, and this folder is going to be called images. I like everything sorted out neatly, or else it's gonna be we want everything in one spot, everything. So, this is a JPEG, huh? Guys, really nothing what I want. I want to save this as a JPG. Okay. So there we go. We're gonna rename this to cat image for webs. No, just cat image. Cat image.jpg. So we're going to now add this to so this is going to be where we're going to extract the image from. Go back to our website, and we're going to put below this, or wherever you want. So I want it to be right below home, so we're going to put below home P, so going to be paragraph as well, and we're doing image source. That's going to be where we source our image. So the image source is going to be images/catimage.jpg, and then we're going to do alt. And what alt does is it makes it so if it doesn't load and you like hover over it, it will say like whatever it says. Like let's go back to BBC. Cat images. Just a quick reference, sorry, but just to show you guys, if I were to hover over this, it will say orange cat, right, tan and black tabby cat. That's what basically all is. So if I go back to Visual Studio, we can name this to picture of a cat. Boom, and then we can do slash boom, and there we go. So now this will appear as a picture of a cat from BBC. And if we were to hover it over, if we were to hover over, I misspelled website. Oh wait, the alt did not work. Hold on. What did I do wrong here? Oh, okay. So I know I did. So I was missing anything. So if I were to like, if this were not to load this image, it will say like alt whatever. It will do picture of a cat or something like that. This is just, yeah, that's my bad. Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna do another example. Let's say if we wanted to add another heading. So we're gonna do heading. We're gonna do subheading. So we're gonna do like invest in our stocks. Obviously, no one's gonna invest in my stocks, but anyway, invest in our stocks. Boom. So you could just add whatever you want if you want this just to be an informational website. But anyway, this is the end of this episode. Next, we're going to be exploring more deep into CSS. Probably, most likely, or maybe adding new pages. So adding new pages and CSS. But anyway, I hope you guys do enjoy. If you do, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more episodes like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.